It has been pretty dry in my area, but it seems that every time I have a moment to cut the grass, it rains just enough to stop me. Well, not today. I'm going to tame this beast of a yard. As you can see, there are some overgrown areas. The original owner of this house really let the yard go. I mean, nature basically reclaimed this plot of land. Um, the person I bought it from did a great job of cleaning it up, but as you can see, that work is never done. So this is my weapon of choice for today. I will be using this a lot for some of my future plans. In this area, I want to start cleaning it up a little bit at a time. I'm not sure what is under this tall grass, so it needs to be cut down first before I bring the mower in. I am basically clearing off one mower width approximately at a time, and I will try to do that every time I mow, and this is also for a future project as well. So from that post to a fence that's on the other side of the property is my property. It's a lot to keep under control. From here to the house, I mean, it's quite a distance. Like I said before, it has been very dry, and I'm actually surprised the grass grew as fast as it did. There are some areas where it is pretty thick, and then there's other areas where it is sparse. As you can see, I'm trying to clear this out a little at a time. I'm reclaiming property. There's that old shack that is the site of a future project, but there's a lot of clearing to do in that area. I cleared a little more in this area where the field is. It can be overwhelming at times, but I like to take a big project and break it up into smaller, more manageable projects. I bought this mower secondhand, and it has reduced my mowing time by more than half. I've had to replace a few parts, but overall, it's been a great mower. Just replaced the battery, starter, solenoid, the blades this year, but not too bad. So, once again, the property has been tamed. I will continue to clear more of some of this taller stuff this summer, and hopefully get some projects done this fall. Here are some questions that I get asked the most by folks, and if you have any questions, feel free to put them down there in the comments. So, question 1: are you a prepper? I don't really consider myself a prepper in that general sense in which it is used. I do, however, want to be prepared for certain things. Ice storms, they happen a lot, here in the Midwest in the winter, and bad thunderstorms, which happen a lot here in the spring and summer. When others are sitting in the dark, I want to be able to turn my lights on, charge my devices, and maybe watch a movie. Now, some people have asked me, are you anti-government? No, I'm not anti-government. I think we all should be more informed about what all levels of government are doing and what they're doing for us. But this is not a political channel, so I'll keep my political views to myself. But no, I'm not anti-government. The third question I get asked the most is, do you hate power companies or dislike power companies? And no, I do not. But I am a very frugal person, and I do not see the need in sending my money to electric companies when I can generate some of that electricity for myself. This one I actually get asked more often than I think some of the others is, do I have a job? And yes, I do have a full-time job. I work, Monday through Friday, just like most people. Most of the work that I have done, for this channel and for these videos has been either completed on the weekend or during the evening hours. I have a family, children, so yeah, I'm not 100% on making YouTube videos all the time. So probably this will be the last one. The next most popular one is, how much stuff do you get for free? And that answer is zero, none. All the materials that you have seen me use, we have purchased with our own money. At this time, I do not have any sponsors. There's no company that donates any materials to me or anything like that. Well, that is all for this one. Please take a minute and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see all the new videos that are coming out. I've got some projects that are coming up. I've got some projects that I want to get finished, and I'm pretty excited about them. So until next time.